Hello, everyone. Welcome to SN English Practice.
Today, you will learn 100 daily use English sentences that you can use in your everyday life. These sentences are simple, practical, and perfect for beginners. So let's get started. I can't believe it.
Repeat after me. I can't believe it.
This is new to me.
This is new to me.
I need some time.
I need some time.
I'll do my best.
I'll do my best.
I'm not kidding.
I'm not kidding.
I'm serious.
I'm serious.
I am absolutely right.
You're absolutely right.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I don't agree with you.
I don't agree with you.
That's great news.
That's great news.
That's bad news.
That's bad news.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'll be there shortly.
I'll be there shortly.
It happened by mistake.
It happened by mistake.
I'm used to it.
I'm used to it.
Everything will be all right.
Everything will be all right.
I'm free right now.
I'm free right now.
There's no hurry.
There's no hurry.
Take your time.
Take your time.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not thirsty.
I'm not thirsty.
You're absolutely right.
You're absolutely right.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Everything is under control now.
Everything is under control. Now.
Let me hear it.
Let me hear it.
You go first.
You go first.
I'll come later.
I'll come later.
Wait here.
Wait here.
Come inside.
Come inside.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Be careful.
Be careful.
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
Show me.
Show me.
I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
Tell me.
Tell me.
It's very important.
It's very important.
I'm not ready.
I'm not ready.
I like it.
I like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am studying.
I am studying.
I am working.
I am working.
I am eating.
I am eating.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
I am free now.
I am free now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market.
When will you come?
When will you come?
I will come in the evening.
I will come in the evening.
I have to go.
I have to go.
I have to go home.
I have to go home.
Are you listening to me?
Are you listening to me?
I need you.
I need you.
I need your help.
I need your help.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
There's no problem.
There is no problem.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am angry.
I am angry.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
I need rest.
I need rest.
Come back soon.
Come back soon.
I have to wait.
I have to wait.
This is very good.
This is very good.
This is very easy.
This is very easy.
This is very difficult.
This is very difficult.
I want this.
I want this.
I want that.
I want that.
How much is this?
How much is this?
This is very expensive.
How much is this?
This is cheap.
How much is this?
I like it.
I like it.
I have to try.
I have to try.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Always be happy.
Always be happy.
Do your work.
Do your work.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Let me think.
Let me think.
I know.
I know.
I remember.
I remember.
I forgot.
I forgot.
Try again.
Try again.
Keep learning and keep practicing.
Keep learning and keep practicing. Great job! You learned 100 daily use English sentences today. Practice these sentences every day and speak them aloud. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SN English Practice. See you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.